Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going to tackle a very common and sometimes frustrating question for PCSWMM users: how do you undo your changes? If you've ever made a mistake, deleted a crucial element, or changed a parameter and then instinctively looked for a Ctrl+Z undo button, you've realized it's not there in the way you might expect from other software. But don't worry, while PCSWMM doesn't have a universal undo function, it provides several powerful ways to revert to a previous state of your model, and understanding them will save you a lot of time and stress. Let's explore the main methods you can use to recover your work. First, and most importantly, is the automatic backup file. Every time you save your project, PCSWMM automatically creates a backup of the previous version of your model. To use this, you need to close your current model in PCSWMM first. Then, navigate to your project folder using Windows File Explorer. You will see your project file, for example, mymodel.pcz, and right there you should also find a file named mymodel.pcz.boc. This .boc file is your safety net. To restore it, you should first rename your current, problematic file to something like mymodel.pcz.old. This keeps it safe just in case. Then, simply rename the mymodel.pcz.boc file by deleting the .boc extension, so it just becomes mymodel.pcz. Now, when you open this file in PCSWMM, you will have the version of the model from your last save, effectively undoing all the changes made since then. A second, more proactive method is to create manual backups. This is a simple but highly effective habit to get into. Before you make any significant changes, like importing a large dataset or altering your network's core geometry, just go to File and select Save As. Save the model with a descriptive name, like mymodel_before_pipe_updates.pcz. This creates a distinct, safe restore point that you can always return to, giving you complete control. Third, for managing larger projects and different design options, you should be using the Scenario Manager. This is the professional way to handle model versions. You can have a base scenario which contains your calibrated, verified model. Then, for any new changes or tests, you create a new child scenario that inherits all the properties of the base. You can then make all the changes you want within this child scenario. If you make a mistake or don't like the results, you can simply delete that child scenario or switch back to your base scenario, which remains completely untouched and safe. It's like having built-in, organized undo points for your entire project. Finally, don't forget the simplest form of undo, the cancel button. If you are in a dialog box editing the properties of a junction, conduit, or pump and you realize you've entered incorrect information, don't click OK. Simply click Cancel. This will discard any changes you made within that specific window, preventing the mistake from being applied to the model. So, by using the automatic .boc file for quick recovery, making manual save as copies for major milestones, and leveraging the Scenario Manager for robust version control, you have a complete toolkit for managing and undoing changes in your PCSWMM projects. I really hope this guide helps you model with more confidence and less fear of making irreversible mistakes. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more PCSWMM tutorials and tips. We'll see you in the next video.